Hi, I'm Jay from Spa World, and this short video is to talk about the UV sanitizer system that you can use as a replacement in a Vortex or Fisher, or you can use it in other models that don't already have a UV system. Over time, Vortex and Fisher spas have used a bypass or non-bypass system. And what that means is, with a bypass system, is only a small amount of water is channeled through the UV tube and exposed to the UV lamp. And that has some benefits. But at one time, Vortex and Fisher changed and went to a full flow system so that all of the water in the circulation system went through the UV tube and was exposed to the lamp. So I'm gonna break that down for you really quickly to talk about the pluses and minuses. The non-bypass system uses 40mm fittings. The bypass system uses 20mm fittings. Both of these are set up in your spa for the hose size or the plumbing size that comes into the tube. The advantage to the non-bypass is that the entire water flow went through the tube during the circulation cycle. But the disadvantage to that, and the advantage to the bypass system, is it's a lower volume and lower rate of water passing through the system, and that means that the UV has a longer time to work. So the water is exposed to a higher amount of UV rays, and this means it's more efficient. So Vortex and Fisher have switched back to a bypass system. The older UV systems found in Vortex and Fisher spas was made from stainless steel. This new system is made from a chemical-resistant plastic. The nice thing with this retrofit or replacement tube is it works with either. It comes with both the fittings for a 40mm and a 20mm system. So all you have to do is disconnect your existing system, either the hose in this instance, and you fit this on with this flange, and it will hook right up to your existing bypass system. But if you have a non-bypass system, this is the fitting that will already be on it, and you simply can use this flange to connect up to the existing system in your spa. Two types of systems, one tube that fits both of them. Okay, so if your spa doesn't already have UV and you're not replacing the tube, then this will work well for you. But you may have 40mm plumbing already, and this would work well for you. Or you can plumb in a manifold or a T and use the bypass fitting. The choice is yours. The system comes with the tube, the fittings that you see here, and the power supply. The power supply cable and the power input is here. It has an AMP connector on it. Now this AMP connector is common on SpaNet controllers, but others don't have this. The benefit of the AMP connector is that it's plug and play. You can unplug or find a spare output on the controller and you can plug this back in. However, if your controller doesn't have an AMP output, this will need to be cut and it'll need to be connected directly to the controller itself, and that will require an electrician or a licensed spa technician. One other cable that comes out of the power supply is this white cable, and it has a small LED on the end of it. If you're replacing a tube and a power supply in a Vortex spa, this is what that's for. This hooks into the cabinet panel health light, and it tells you if the lamp is needing replacing or not. It will go red when it does. However, Fisher and most other brands don't have this, and so this just remains hanging inside the cabinet when your installation is done. The kit also comes with two brackets. These brackets are used to hold the tube in place, and there's two screws that come along with that as well. I hope this video has been valuable, and if you need any help or have any further questions, please contact us at Spa World. Thank you.